The hippopotamus or hippo, further qualified as the common hippopotamus, Nile hippopotamus, or river hippopotamus, is a large semi-aquatic mammal native to sub-Saharan Africa. It is one of only two extant species in the family Hippopotamidae, the other being the pygmy hippopotamus. Hippopotamuses, also known as hippos, are one of the largest land animals on Earth. They are known for their large size, stocky build, and short legs. Adult hippos can weigh anywhere from 680 to 2040 kg and stand about 1.2 to 1.5 meters tall at the shoulder. They can measure up to 4 meters long and have a girth of up to 5 meters. Male hippos are typically larger than females and can weigh up to 25% more than their female counterparts. Despite their large size, hippos can run at speeds of up to 32 km per hour on land and are also excellent swimmers. Hippopotamuses have a grayish to brownish purple coloration on their skin, which appears hairless and is quite thick. The skin of a hippo is relatively smooth, but it does have a few scattered bristle-like hairs around its mouth and tail. The coloration of their skin is thought to be a result of a combination of factors, including their diet, age, and exposure to sunlight. Young hippos tend to have a lighter coloration than older individuals. Additionally, hippos secrete a reddish-brown oily substance from their skin that acts as a natural sunscreen and moisturizer, which may also contribute to the color of their skin. Hippos are semi-aquatic animals and spend a lot of time in the water to keep their skin cool and hydrated. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes underwater. They are very territorial and can be extremely aggressive if they feel their space is being threatened. They are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa and are responsible for more human fatalities than any other large animal on the continent. Despite their reputation for being fierce, hippos are actually quite social and live in groups called pods or bloats. These groups can consist of up to 30 individuals and are typically led by a dominant male. Hippos are known for producing a variety of vocalizations that they use to communicate with each other. Grunts and snorts are the most common sounds that hippos make, and are often used to communicate with other members of the group. Roars and bellows are loud, deep vocalizations that hippos use to establish their dominance over other members of their group or to warn off potential threats. Hippos will often make a series of honking sounds when they are feeling threatened or agitated. Wheezes and snort sounds are often made when a hippo is excited or agitated, and can be a sign that they are about to charge. Hippos are also capable of producing low-frequency infrasonic sounds that are too low for humans to hear. These sounds are thought to be used for long-distance communication. Hippos are large, powerful animals that have few natural predators in the wild. However, there are some predators that may prey on hippos under certain circumstances. Crocodiles are one of the few animals that are known to attack and kill hippos. This usually happens when the hippo is in the water, where it is vulnerable to crocodile attacks. Crocodiles will often attack young hippos or older individuals that are weak or injured. While it is rare, lions have been known to attack and kill young hippos that are separated from their mothers or weakened by illness or injury. Hyenas are opportunistic predators that may attack young hippos or steal carcasses from other predators. Humans are the most significant threat to hippos, both through hunting and habitat destruction. In many parts of Africa, hippos are still hunted for their meat and ivory teeth, and their habitat is being rapidly destroyed by human development. Hippos are herbivores and mainly feed on grasses, but they may also consume other types of vegetation, such as reeds and aquatic plants. Despite being mostly terrestrial animals, hippos are also known to feed in water bodies, where they can graze on aquatic plants and algae. Hippos are known to be selective feeders and will often choose the most nutritious plant parts, such as the tender leaves and shoots. They have a very large appetite and can consume up to 68 kilograms of vegetation per day. Hippos have a unique digestive system that allows them to extract as much nutrition as possible from their food. They have a large, four-chambered stomach and a lengthy intestine that allows them to ferment the tough plant material they consume. This fermentation process helps break down the cellulose in their food, making it easier to digest and extract nutrients. Hippos have a unique breeding pattern that is adapted to their semi-aquatic lifestyle. Female hippos typically reach sexual maturity between 5 and 6 years of age, while males mature later at around 7 to 8 years old. Hippos are polygynous, which means that males mate with multiple females during the breeding season. Breeding can occur at any time of the year but is most common during the rainy season when water is plentiful. Mating involves a series of vocalizations and displays by the male, who will compete with other males for access to females. After a gestation period of around 8 months, female hippos give birth to a single calf either on land or in the water. Mother hippos are very protective of their young and will often keep them close by their side for the first few weeks of life. Female hippos typically give birth every 2 years, although this can vary depending on environmental conditions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.